Alright, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Alright, gang. So this all these videos are for your psychology, as you know, Forex is about your psychology. That's all Forex is really about, is your psychology. That's it. So these all these videos are for your psychology, as we're going over entries, as well as entries are very important to where you enter the market, as that will determine how much money you make, how much money you could potentially lose. As you're trying to swing trade this at Great Trade, at Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2, and you're trying to swing trade this, thinking price is going down to 26 extension, and it doesn't go down to 26 extension. And we see a bullish engulfing pattern right here on a 1 hour. We see this yellow candlestick, engulfing this black candlestick, breaking this trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, which is bullish engulfing pattern, February 14th, price heads back up all the way up to take profit 8. Could have gotten for Great Trade 1 once price breaks this trend line, which is bullish engulfing pattern, and rode this all the way up to take profit 8. Or once price makes this higher high, it makes another higher low. Once price makes a higher low on the Great Trade 2, we could have gotten for an entry at Great Trade 2 at 1851 and rode this all the way up to take profit 8. So we could have two take profits going on. We could have been two trades and double the profit all the way up to take profit 8. So extremely important. Um, so once we see price break this trend line, and we see this bullish engulfing pattern, yellow candlestick on the right is engulfing the black candlestick, smaller candlestick on the left, February 14th, 2022. And we see price making what? Structure, higher highs and higher lows, all the way back down to 1850. We got in for Great Trade 2. Once price makes a higher low, we can get in for a buy. And then what do we see? We see yellow candlesticks, long yellow candlesticks, pushing all the way up to take profit 8. Once we got to take profit 8, once we got to take profit 8, February 14th, price went above take profit 8. February 14th, starting 5 o'clock, and then starting February 15th, 2022. That's why I was showing those videos. Like, price could potentially go to take profit 9. Price didn't get to take profit 9 yet, but we were expecting price to still get up to take profit 9 and eventually take profit 10. And I'll keep you updated on that gain, as price can still get up to take profit 10, as I believe we're still in an uptrend. I believe price, will made after of an uptrend from take profit 6 all the way to take profit 8. This is our highest point price been at this year, 1879. February 15th, February 14th. After price makes what? Structure, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Price will make a higher low before what? Making a higher high all the way back up to take profit 7, take profit 8, and then, eventually take profit 9 and take profit 10. So, price can still go up to take profit 9 and take profit 10. And then it happened yesterday, as, price did not get up to take profit 9, nowhere near take profit 9, got to take profit 8 and reversed it back down to take profit 6. Price was not ready to get up to take profit 9 yet. So this we have our trend line, all the way from take profit 6 to take profit 8. Once price gets all the way to take profit 8, we stop seeing yellow candlesticks, we start seeing long yellow candlesticks, and we start seeing smaller yellow candlesticks. This gives us an indication, plus price breaks this trend line, and we see a bearish engulfing pattern. We see black candlestick engulfing this yellow candlestick. Once this black candlestick engulfs this yellow candlestick, this lets us know that we're in a downtrend. We see a bearish engulfing pattern at the top of this uptrend, and we see a bearish engulfing pattern. It breaks this trend line, and then we see a bearish engulfing pattern. This is one of our candlestick patterns, letting us know that price is, reversing. Once price gets to the top of the uptrend, you'll see dojis, you'll see smaller yellow candlesticks, letting us know that buyers are losing pressure, and this is a sign of exhaustion from buyers. And now we're just waiting for price to break this trend line and show us some type of candlestick pattern. It shows us some type of candlestick pattern, shows us a bearish engulfing pattern. Also could have been an even star pattern. A triple candlestick pattern, yellow candlestick, star. As price, you see a candlestick between a gap between the first candlestick and the last candlestick, creating this star, and then black candlestick. And this is an even star pattern. One of our candlestick patterns, it'll be yellow candlestick, star, and then even star Then we'll see a black candlestick, a Marubozo black candlestick. This is one of our even star patterns, one of our candlestick patterns that we'll also find at the top of an uptrend. So we'll find a bearish engulfing pattern at the top of an uptrend and an even star pattern at the top of an uptrend, shooting star, tweezer top. So see a bearish engulfing pattern, and we see an even star pattern. After this breaking this trend line, from after buyers were losing, showed a sign that they're exhausted after this uptrend from take profit 6 all the way to take profit 8, 1879 from 1850 to 1879. And once price breaks this trend line and shows us some type of candlestick pattern, we could have gotten for great trade 1. Then price heads up all the way to 1876 before price makes a lower low after showing this bearish engulfing patterns from 1788 to 1776, 1775, then heads all the way back up to 1876, and then this is great trade 2. Then right after that, it pushes back down after making this lower high. We could have gotten in off this lower high and sold this all the way down. You see black candlestick from 1875. Long black candlesticks to take profit 7, all the way pushing past take profit 8 to take profit 7, all the way to take profit 6. Draw our Fibonacci right here as well. Boom, draw our Fibonacci. We could draw it from here, boom, all the way to 27 extension. And we see price go right to 27 extension. Boom, we see a long black candlestick going past 0.786, 0.618, 0.5, and 0.382. And eventually goes all the way past 0 and then 27 extension, and price makes a lower low before making a lower high. Once price gets all the way to 27 extension, price, buyers start to push price back up. We see price makes a high right here. This is the first high price makes at 1857, and then it makes a higher low back down to 1846 before making a higher high back to 1856 before making a higher low back down to 1853. And price next key level price can go to is take profit 7 back to 0.382 all the way back to take profit 8. I'll keep you updated gang on that. As price can get all the way back up to take profit 8, we're expecting price to go to take profit 8. It was just retracing as we were retracing right here. It make a higher low, making structure, making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. And what? Higher lows and what? Higher high, back to take profit 7, take profit 8. And I'll keep you updated on that game. We enter at the top. That's where you make the most money at. And you could have rolled this all the way down to take profit 6. All right, so sticking to our trading strategy works, You make the most money at the bottom and you make the most money at the top. We would have gotten at this top at 1878 and rolled this all the way down to take profit 6, 1844. We would have been in profit the whole time at Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2. And depending on your lot size, could have easily been 50 grand, 20 grand easily, 10 grand easily, depending on your lot size. A couple thousand depending on your lot size. So sticking to our trading strategy works, so we use Fibonacci trend lines to determine the overall direction that the market wants to go in. Once we see price breaks this trend line, we get in. Once price breaks this trend line, first of all, from Great Trade 1 and Great Trade 2, we take profit. Take profit once price breaks this trend line. As you're trying to swing trade this, thinking price will go to take profit 9, and it doesn't get up there. It doesn't get to take profit 9. Starting London session 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we see black long Marubozo candlestick 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, push all the way down to take profit 6. So take profit once price breaks this trend line. You can take profit, and once price breaks this trend line, same thing here for the sell, take profit. Once price breaks this trend line, take profit and get back in the overall direction, get back in the trend that, once price breaks this trend line, you can get back in the trend and you could sell this down, or you could have rolled this all the way up to take profit 8 or sold this back down once price broke this trend line to take profit 6. Extremely important for your psychology. We're going over all these videos to help with your psychology game. All right, so in our next video, we'll be breaking this down a little bit more. All right, and I'll give you some more tools and some more clues to help you make money in this market. All right, gang.